In this informative video, we delve into the essential aspects of pharmaceutical good manufacturing practice, GMP. We'll explore the significance of GMP in the pharma industry, its key principles, and how it ensures the safety, quality, and efficacy of medicines. So, what pharmaceutical good manufacturing practice, or GMP, really is? At its core, GMP is a set of regulations and guidelines that ensure the consistent production of high-quality pharmaceutical products. The ultimate goal of GMP is to safeguard public health by maintaining the quality, safety, and efficacy of medicines. It covers every step of the manufacturing process, from raw material sourcing to product distribution. Now that we understand the essence of GMP, let's explore its key principles that form the backbone of pharmaceutical production. Quality control, ensuring that each product meets predefined quality standards through rigorous testing and inspections. Documentation, maintaining detailed records of every manufacturing step to facilitate traceability and accountability. Validation, demonstrating that manufacturing processes consistently yield products that meet quality requirements. Training, equipping employees with the necessary knowledge and skills to perform their roles effectively and safely. One of the most critical aspects of pharmaceutical GMP is its contribution to drug safety. Let's explore how GMP practices enhance the safety of pharmaceutical products. GMP mandates thorough testing of raw materials, in-process samples, and finished products. This ensures that only safe and effective medicines reach patients. Additionally, GMP emphasizes data integrity, preventing any manipulation or falsification of test results. This ensures that the information collected accurately reflects product quality. Quality assurance is a cornerstone of GMP. It involves systematic processes to ensure that products consistently meet the required quality standards. These processes include audits, inspections, and compliance checks. By upholding these practices, pharmaceutical companies can instill confidence in their products and regulatory agencies. The influence of pharmaceutical GMP extends far beyond the walls of manufacturing facilities. Let's explore how GMP shapes the entire pharma industry. GMP compliance is essential for obtaining regulatory approvals and market authorizations. Without adhering to these standards, companies risk delays in product launch or even recalls. By prioritizing GMP, the pharma industry can maintain its reputation for producing safe and effective medicines, ultimately benefiting patients worldwide. And there you have it, the key to understanding pharmaceutical good manufacturing practice. From its fundamental principles to its impact on drug safety and the pharma industry, GMP plays an indispensable role. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe for more insightful content.